Here's the fear that I hear many coaches say when I tell them about my replicator coaching system. If AI can do what I can do, will my clients stop needing me? Hey, I get it. Because if you charge 250 or 500 bucks an hour, the last thing you want is some cheap AI version of yourself competing for your best clients. But coaches have had this fear before. They said the same thing about books. They said the same thing about online courses. They said the same thing about podcasts, videos, and group programs. Did any of those replace great coaches? No. They created more people who understood the value of coaching. They helped people trust a coach's process before they ever hired the coach. They gave people a way to start learning from you before they were ready to invest in private work. And here's what happened every time. The coach who wrote the book became more credible. The coach who built a course expanded their reach. The coach who shared their ideas publicly attracted more of the right clients, not fewer. The tool didn't cannibalize the coach, it amplified the coach. AI coaching is the next chapter of the same story. So the right question is not, will AI replace me? The better question is, what happens to my clients between sessions? Because that's where the real gap is. A client leaves your session all excited, clear, motivated. They know exactly what to do next. Then life happens. They get busy. They forgot part of what you said. They hit a wall and have no one to call. They try to apply your framework and they apply it wrong. They lose momentum. And then they show up to the next session and they're not ready for the next breakthrough. They're 2 steps back. So what do? You spend the first 15 or 20 minutes rebuilding, reminding them of what you already covered, clarifying what they misunderstood, getting them back on track before you can move them forward. That's not a client problem. That's a continuity problem, and it's costing both of you. That's the gap that Replicator is designed to close. Replicator reinforces your framework between sessions in your voice around your methodology, built on the way that you actually think. It answers routine questions so you're not repeating yourself. It helps clients stay connected to your process, track their progress, and show up with better questions. So if your lifetime stops being spent catching up and start being used for work only you can do, then you have gained significant impact with this particular client. And here's something important. Replicator is not a chatbot that's generic and makes things up in your name. You decide what it knows. You decide how it responds. You decide where it fits into your business and how clients will use it. Your private coaching stays at the premium experience. Replicator becomes the support layer around it, one you control completely. Now here's where most coaches miss the bigger opportunity. Replicator doesn't just help you serve your existing clients better. It gives you a way to open up a completely separate AI coached tier for people who aren't ready for your private coaching yet. Maybe they can't afford your rate. Maybe they're not ready for that level of commitment. Maybe they just need a lower friction way to start. Before Replicator, those people weren't your clients at all. They were just people who admired your work from a distance. Now they have a path in. They can access your methodology, learn your language, experience your framework through a system you built and you control. That's not cannibalism. That's a new market. You're not pulling clients away from your premium offers. You're serving people who were never going to buy those offers in the first place. And some of them will. But now there's a path. They start with the AI coached tier. They build trust with your process. And when they're ready for deeper work, your live coaching becomes the next obvious step. 2 revenue streams, 1 body of expertise, 0 additional hours. Your live coaching stays premium. Your AI coach tier expands your reach. Your clients get more support. And your business stops being limited by how many hours you personally have available that week. The coaches who hand AI a microphone and step back, they will commoditize themselves. They'll train the market to believe that coaching is just information. But the coaches who use AI to reinforce their methodology, improve client follow through, and protect the value of the human relationship become harder to replace. Because they're not just selling time anymore, they're building a system. And that's the whole point of Replicator. Not cheaper coaching, better coaching. Not replacing you as a coach, multiplying you as a coach.